When you visit Lauderdale, if you love Italian as much as I do, you want to make sure you visit Louie Bossi on Las Olas. Join us as we go in the kitchen with the Greater Fort Lauderdale Food and Wine Festival presented by Visit Lauderdale. Chef Louie takes me through how to make a great pizza and some pasta. What do you love about Greater Fort Lauderdale?
Fort Lauderdale is an awesome city. Between the tourists, the locals, people from North Miami, people from Palm Beach County, it's a melting pot here. Las Olas, you couldn't ask for a better street to open a restaurant on. It's beautiful, it's well kept, and all of our neighbors and other restaurants, everybody does a great job here. I love Las Olas.
Can you just leave our guests with some words of wisdom?
I believe that we will all come together and beat this, as long as we all stay united as one. And that's it. And like Rory said, he's going to help us with dishes today because my dishwasher called out, and we're going to stay united in the kitchen with Rory.
To learn more about Louie Bossi and other restaurants throughout Greater Fort Lauderdale, check out sunny.org.